Welcome back to Automoto, where we dive into the world of powerful machines, cutting-edge designs, and of course, all things cars. Today, we're getting an up-close look at a true icon that's revving up the muscle car game for 2025, the Dodge Challenger Hellcat. This beast is back, and it's meaner, faster, and even more thrilling than ever. Let's dig into what makes this Hellcat a force to be reckoned with. The 2025 Dodge Challenger Hellcat stays true to its legacy with Dodge's classic, aggressive styling. The Hellcat looks ready to dominate the road with its bold front grille, deep scoops and wide body stance, making sure it turns heads wherever it goes. Dodge has made a few tweaks to the exterior, keeping that familiar, retro-inspired muscle car look, but with fresh touches that bring it up to speed with 2025. Under the hood is where things get seriously interesting. This model packs the legendary 6.2-litre supercharged HEMI V8, still capable of monstrous power. We're talking about a jaw-dropping 807 horsepower on tap. With that kind of power, the Hellcat can tear down the quarter mile in under 11 seconds. And with a top speed that pushes over 200 miles per hour, it's clear that Dodge hasn't held back in making this one of the most powerful muscle cars on the market. For 2025, Dodge has made sure the Hellcat isn't just about straight-line speed. With adaptive suspension and improved handling, this beast is more agile on the road and ready to take on corners with confidence. Drivers can also fine-tune the car's dynamics with different drive modes from street cruising to track-ready performance. The Hellcat adapts to your driving needs. Inside the cabin, Dodge has crafted a space that blends muscle with modern tech. The driver-centric cockpit has high-quality materials, sporty bucket seats, and an updated infotainment system that includes a high-resolution display, smartphone connectivity, and an advanced navigation system. There's also a new customizable digital cluster that lets you keep an eye on everything, from speed and boost pressure to G-forces, all while behind the wheel. The 2025 Challenger Hellcat also brings some new driver assistance features to the lineup, including blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and rear cross-traffic alert. Dodge has made safety a priority, which means you can enjoy all that horsepower with peace of mind. But what about fuel economy? Well, as you might expect, it's not exactly the eco-friendliest option out there, but that's not what the Hellcat is about. If you're after pure adrenaline, power, and an unforgettable driving experience, this car will deliver it every time. The 2025 Dodge Challenger Hellcat is a stunning blend of modern performance and classic muscle car spirit. It's got the look, the power, and the feel of a true American icon. For those who want the thrill of driving one of the most powerful muscle cars on the road, this Hellcat has plenty to offer. Thanks for joining us here on Automoto. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss out on our latest deep dives into the world of cars. Leave a comment below on what you think about the 2025 Challenger Hellcat. Would you take it out for a spin?